Excel's Infinity Full Suit series is designed and trusted to deliver warmth, comfort, and performance for a wide range of climates. The Infinity series also features TDC Thermo Dry Cellulent with revolutionary smart fiber technology. TDC is Excel's warmest material ever to hit the market. Fast drying and lightweight, TDC's mineral-enhanced smart fibers recycle your body heat into performance-enhancing infrared energy for maximum warmth, greater endurance, faster recovery, and enhanced overall performance. In the Infinity, TDC is used in the front and back chest in an infrared print low pile for enhancing warmth at the core. On the interior lower body, Excel's lighter and fast-drying quick dry lining provides excellent comfort and heat retention. All Infinity models offer 100% ultra stretch neoprene with a comfortable extra soft feel and maximum stretch. The outer front and back chest are a wind-resistant texture skin for even greater core insulation and warmth. The entire Infinity Full Suit is glued and blind stitched for a fully seamed maximum stretch seam construction that keeps water out and warmth in. On the interior, thermo-dry taping is used throughout the upper and lower body to ensure full range of motion where maximum stretch is required. For the ankles, the NextSkin seal is used containing a thin band of liquid neoprene that ensures an excellent seal and also helps prevent flushing. The Infinity is available in two different entry systems. The X2 front entry system has an over-the-head zipper flap, attached right shoulder, water-resistant zipper, and a smooth skin hem seal that all combine to keep water out and warmth in. The X2's interior crossover neck panels are implemented on the chest and back panel of the neck entry, allowing the user to get the suit on and off quick and easy. For the men, the Infinity also comes in an ultra premium back zip OS Easy Lock model with a 100% waterproof zipper. The Infinity OS is ideal for fast and easy access, with a full-length zipper and no inner dam to allow the suit to open up wide for stepping in and out of. The zipper keeps water out and is offset from the spine for better flexibility and comfort. Finally, the contoured Duraflex knee panels and back knee flex grooves allow for excellent range of motion, durability, and stretch.